Today, we are going to show you step by step how to check your students' grades online. Middle school is a huge transition. As students take on more teachers, classes, and independence, staying updated on their academic progress is one of the best ways you can support them. PowerSchool is your best tool for three big reasons. First, there is no big surprises when report card time comes around. Second, it allows you to catch missing assignments early. And third, it helps build student responsibility and accountability. Here's a quick refresher on what letter grades represent. An A means awesome. Your child fully understands the material and goes and does great work. B means good job. They understand main ideas and meet expectations. A C means average. They get the basics but might need a little extra practice. A D is a warning sign that they are struggling or missing assignments, meaning it's time to step it up and help. An F means failing, usually due to missing work or low test scores. Now let's walk through the exact steps to log in and check your student's PowerSchool. First, open your browser and go to Escondido Unified School District website, www.eusd.org. On the main page menu, click on the Parents and Families icon. Under the Popular Links section on the right side of the page, select PowerSchool Parent Portal. Next, click on the blue PowerSchool Parents buttons near the top of the page. Finally, enter your username and password to log in. It is the same username and password you use to register your student for school. Once signed in, you'll have fully visibility into your students' grades and assignments. Once in, you'll see the grades and attendance page. From there, you can see all the courses your student is enrolled in, and you will see an overall grade in each course. If you click on a letter grade, you will be able to see the progress of your student on a week-to-week basis. You can also click on the absences number and get details on when your student missed class. Grades are stored in PowerSchool, so you can go back and look at your students' grades from previous years. Just click on the Grade History tab on the left side menu. From there, you will see current year's grades, and grades from past years will be visible on the tabs at the top of the page. You can sign in for email notifications so you can personally receive updates on your students' school progress without having to frequently log on to PowerSchool. To do this, click on the email notification. From there, you can add additional email addresses from which to receive email notifications. You can also select the types of notifications you wish to receive, as well as the frequency of your notifications. Thank you for taking the time to watch this PowerSchool tutorial. To wrap up, check PowerSchool regularly, catch missing work early, and don't hesitate to reach out to teachers whenever you need support. Working together is the best way to help your students succeed. Thank you for partnering with Deltios.